Now, I had mentioned the SE1 method tells you that if you have the same parameters, negative a to a, the top function is even, so even function on top, and then 1. K of x times k of negative x is equal to 1. Then if that happens, then we can just rewrite this as 1/2 integral from negative a to a of e to the x. Well, the first thing that we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna implement King's rule with this integral right here. If you have an integral from a to b of f of x, then that's gonna equal to the integral from a to b of f of a plus b minus x. This is King's rule, and that's what we're gonna apply here. So how does it go? First, I'm gonna say that I have an integral I, which is this negative a to a of this even function of k of x plus 1 with respect to x. Okay, well, I'm also going to say that this is going to equal to some integral j. Integral j is going to equal to negative a to a of e to the negative a plus a minus x over k of negative a plus a minus x plus 1 with respect to x. Oh, I said a, I wrote b, but I meant a there. Okay, this is gonna cancel out, boom. So what do we have? We have e to the negative x. Now remember, e to the negative x is an even function. So by definition, this right here is just e to the x. So we have integral from negative a to a of e to the x over the negative a's, and the a cancel out. So you're left with k negative x plus 1. So k negative x plus 1. Let's go ahead and multiply k of x to the top and bottom. What's going to happen here is we're going to have the integral from negative a to a of e to the x k of x. So I have 1 plus k of x. Okay, so I still have this integral is equal to this integral right here. I'm going to do I plus j is going to equal to the integral from negative a to a of e to the x over k of x plus 1 dx plus, and then I have this integral over here. Let's do integral from a to a, e to the x k of x over k of x plus 1 with respect to x. Okay, so these two things are being added together. We do 2i equals, so it gives us negative a to a, and then we have e to the x plus e to the x k of x over k of x plus 1. And I keep saying e to the x, but I meant e of x. I'm so sorry about that. Both of these terms have an e of x in common, so I'm going to factor it out from both. And what is that going to give me? E of x times k of x plus 1. K of x plus 1 cancels out with the k of x plus 1, so that leaves me with 2i is equal to the integral from negative a to a of simply just e of x with respect to x. Let's go ahead and divide the 2 to the other side, and that tells us I is going to equal to 1/2 integral from negative a to a of the even function dx.